Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about Artsmart.ai. Artsmart.ai allows you to create unique AI generated image to level up your brand marketing strategy. So it is an AI powered image generation tool to create visual content for like social media, content marketing and promotion, and it also produce AI generated avatar based on real people and explore a community with other people. So AI Smart Artsmart.ai is an AI image generator that creates awesome realistic image from simple text and image prompts. So with AI Smart, it is easy to generate visual for marketing materials, design inspiration, and e-commerce photos. So as you can see, they said 100% unique stock social media AI generated image, so made by you plus AI. So you can leverage of the power of AI trained on the world's best artists to generate image for fun and businesses. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that Wizard generated have generated this image, okay, and it is public, so you can see the quality of image from here, as you can see. So basically it generate image from prompt, okay. So I will show you all the things, but before we get into that, I want to show you that they are launching a app model, as you can see, Artsmart.ai, and it just cost you $39. Okay, if I scroll down a little bit, you can see the features what you get. As you can see, single plan cost you $39 and you get 750 kds per month. That means you can get create 770 50 kd 50 photo per month with this single plan. Okay, then again it reset and you can again next month you can generate same image. Okay, so as you can see, if you need more, you can choose a double plan. It costs you $78 and it gives you 1500 kds per month. And if you need more, you can also choose this multiple plan, and it also has two course. Okay, if you need, you can increase from here. Okay, so let's see how it can work. So we are in now dashboard. I have just generated this image. Okay, so I'll show you all of the things. So first of all, I want to show you that guide. So if you need guide, you can just click here and it will help you how you can generate image. So as you can see, mode you can choose here, three mode: standard or semi-realistic. So if you need look like very realistic image, you can choose standard mode. But if you want to like enemy style image, you can choose semi realistic. Okay, so here is prompt. So what you want to generate, you can give this prompt and it generate from here. And image to image, so here you can generate image to image. So if you give an idea to AI and it will generate look like image. Okay, then we have a is public, so you can give it a public so many people see your image. And image dimension, so it is very important. You can increase decrease based upon what you requirement. Okay, so then you can generate for image. So it just uh, cost you one credit. Okay, so if you need more advanced option, here you can see that it has a advanced so guidance skill. So higher guidance will make your image closer to your prompt. Okay, and number interference steps, so most step will result in a high quality image but will take longer. And here is a prompt stent, so it allows you to hide guidance will make your image closer to your prompt. One corresponds to full destruction of information in image. So negative prompt, so you can also give a negative prompt that help you uh, uh, help you remove all of the things. Okay, as you can see, you can also choose the speed, so it allows you to define number result in new variation your image. Okay, so on the left hand side, as you can see, it has presets, so you can select predefined image. Okay, so you can add this predefined image and AI make look like this image. Okay, so we back here, my image. So you, if you generate any image, then it show in here image lookup. So here you can get inspiration from many images. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of images. And style and camera angle, so you can choose camera angle here. So if you need any camera angle, you can choose that. Pointing style, painting style, so you can choose many painting style. Okay, go back. Artist, so you can choose your based on of your artist. So as you can see, Pablo Picasso, Van Gogh. Okay, there are a lot of artists, so you can choose your artist, then generate with this. So here is, you can see other. So here you can see the trending 4K resolution, 8K resolution, so you can explore that and see how it work. Okay, so as you can see in painting here. Okay, then we see the face enhance. So if you have images that are not good, that are blurry, you can so face instance to increase enhancing your face. Okay, then we have upscale. You can upscale your image with this tool. You can resize your canvas with this tool. You can crop your image. Okay, if you want to flip your image, you can do that. Okay, you can add text in your image. If I click here, you can check. You can change color here. Okay, you can make it center, you can make it right, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, and do a lot more things. Here you can zoom this image. Okay, you can zoom in and zoom out, and if you want, you can create new color. So basically all of this feature in here. So let's generate a image. So I just go to image lookup and create image that I, so I click this prompt. Okay, so just it copied here. So you just need to give them some edited uh, prompt. Okay, natural beauty spoiled with industrial waste. Okay, I cut that, and natural beauty warrior with sword red. Okay, I just edit this. And you can also image to image, so you can give them image, and this AI will give an idea. So you give an idea to this AI, and it make a look like image. So I just upload my image. So let's see what it happens. So it's public. Okay, you can increase image dimension. I uh, okay, it is default. Guidance scale you can change. Okay, I make it as it is. Okay, so now I want to generate. Okay, generate credit. So it needs some seconds. So as you can see, it generated based on our prompt. So natural beauty warrior sword. So as you can see, and it also give us a rate. As you can see, rate. Okay, and it give us based on exact prompt. Okay, so you can edit this image, so you can enhance your face. Okay, you can choose if you apply here, as you can see, it enhances this face. And if you want, you can upscale it, you can resize canvas. Okay, you can resize it. As you can see, you can crop the image, you can make it custom square. Okay, if I make it 5:4, you can do that also. You can apply here, as you can see, and you can flip it. Okay, you can, okay, and make as it is. Okay, click reset, and then you can add text. Okay, you can zoom it, and you can zoom it out. Okay, now we see that. Okay, so here, as you can see, you can play with this kind of feature or playground, and that is where I mean, you can use playground to create emails. Then you can have social media, you can add your social media to directly promote, directly upload your image from this dashboard. And you have profile, youtube, okay, all the pricing things and all the things. Okay, so this is basically it. Okay, and I just, okay, just reset it. Now I want to add preset here. So add preset, so I add digital preset here. Okay, add preset, so name preset, prompt, visibility, so you can do that. Okay, I think you get the idea of what this tool and how can you use that tool. So thank you so much for watching. And if you need this AI tool, you can get it very cheap. You can go Artsmart.ai. This tool, I will give you a link in the description. You can choose that link, that basically give you 10% discount. So if you want, you can grab this deal. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.